how does value, according to you, values of an individual helps them in decision making? I'm just trying to pick some of your philosophical
Got it.
lens
Got
before
it.
we deep dive into marketing.
Got it. So the way I look at this is we are and we will always be status driven in some sense or the other. And that's not going to change anytime soon. And this has been an age old phenomenon, and it will continue to do so as brands get more prevalence in how they function. And as long as we're status driven, there is some form of signaling that we'll always do to have perceived value than what we think that value that we get from a particular
Yeah.
product. So think of the IKEA effect, right?
Yeah.
There is a sense of a perceived value on what you look at when you buy a piece of furniture than what that value is. And the IKEA effect basically says that when you build the furniture and when you use your hands,
Yeah.
you have a different perception of that value than what it is actually valued at, and that's the IKEA effect.
Wow.